Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So a lot of you know this already, but I have two channels. One is Mixed Media Girl and one is the Business of Art. I created the Business of Art to answer questions regarding making a business out of your art, such as shipping art, building social media, building a YouTube channel, pricing your art, etc. So I'm periodically posting some of these videos onto the Mixed Media Girl channel. This is the next one. Check out the description for the link for the Business of Art, and you should follow that if you have any interest in making a business out of your art. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the Business of Art. A frequent question that I get is how to store paintings. So I just want to show you real quick. This is my bookshelf of paintings, and as you can see, I have parchment paper in between each, no matter what the medium, because that was something that I ran into frequently, was paintings getting stuck together. That's the worst. So I have it sorted by size. These are 8 by 10s. Down here we've got 11 by 14s. And down here on the bottom I have the larger ones. I've got 12 by 12s and 14 by 14. And then, and so on. And then the really big paintings, I just keep those on my wall. So I'm going to show you those real quick. So here is one wall that I have where I have my large bridge painting, and then some more of the 10 by 20s and a 16 by 20 there. So that's that wall. Over on this wall I have my very large painting there. I think it's 2 by 4 feet. And yeah, just some definitely larger canvases, along with some, personal stuff, just because it is my wall. And then this is my last wall where I have my studio sign, which is very big. And then I have, that's a 20 by 20, 16 by 20, etc. So definitely larger paintings. You will run out of wall space if you don't sell your paintings. So good news is just sell your paintings. Anyways, guys, I hope this was helpful. I know it's just a short video, but long story short, I would just get yourself 1 or 2 or however many of these shelves that you need. You can put it in your garage or wherever. And these are, you can get at IKEA for like, I don't know, 30 bucks or something. Or find it used on Craigslist or whatever. And they have adjustable shelves, which is perfect. So, I have smaller shelf here for the 8 by 10s, and then down at the bottom, I'll just show you the bigger ones down at the bottom real quick. So down here, the 12 by 12s and 14 by 14s, and then over here are the 10 by 20s and 16 by 20s. So as you can see, lots of space there. Up here, I just have kind of miscellaneous vases and whatnot, and my daughter always puts her art in there. So that's all her art. Anywho, so there you go. So good luck with your storage. You can do anything even remotely similar. Parchment paper is the key. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.